Great way to start the day. The keyboard overlord gifted me with another Dell AT101W, but my computer died, or at least the power supply did. It does work with this one, so I'm gonna replace it. There we go. Power supply in, unfortunately, is not modular, so I gotta deal with all the cables, but well, let's see if it still works, you know? And I know you're probably going like, but Blingo, wouldn't it be a better plan to just make it go around the other side? Well, to that I have to say, why do it the easy way if the hard way is also an option? Down. Sure enough, still posts. Yup. Time to give it another test run after... Oh right, that crap, the old PSU. This is why I forget everything. Oh, forgot to... There we go. Well, that's not good. It boots. Now what also an amazing time to check out the new keyboard that the gods have gifted me. Holy crap, it works. Just gotta test every single key with Keyboard Tester. Okay, let's put the PC back together and put it back in its place. It's fine. Who needs cable management? And then we just squeeze that on there. Come on. Come on. Yes. There we go. All nice and shut. Then we just... Come on. And we just finish it off by screwing it shut. And you collect the USB 3.0 header. And we connect the power cable. This time from the right side. Turn it on. Oh, the front fans never worked. Oh my god, I forgot to connect those. Let's take off the side again. You know, I could just be coordinated. That would solve a whole lot of problems, but where's the fun in that? Like, sure, you'd be done faster. Come on, phone. Sharp. I know the cameras might be dead, but fuck it, then I'll just click it in without showing you me showing it clicking in. There we go. There we go. Now, let's test. It actually works with a USB device. Yeah. I gotta make a decision on what to connect. USB. Computer is starting. Just to confirm that the left ones still work. Yes, left ones work. What about the USB 3.0? Yes! Lovely. Those never worked before. Okay, good. Now let's put it back down. Should be fine. I haven't edited this video, I just keep my phone on and pause. Anyway, where's the switch? Bam. Bam. Oh. And lovely. It works again.